So hello everyone, my name is Vaibhav Lazurkar from first year engineering student in Bajaj Institute of Technology, Wardha. In this video, we are explaining more about what is rolling motion with the help of presentation and GeoGebra simulation. Hello friends, today we are discussing about what is rolling motion. Here the introduction. Rolling motion is a type of motion that combines rotation commonly of an axially symmetric object and translation of the object with respect to a surface, either one or the other move, such that if ideal condition exists, the two are in contact with each other without sliding. Rolling where there is a no sliding is referred at as pure rolling. Here, what is meant by rolling motion? In our day-to-day life, we observe various moving car, bikes, rickshaws, etc. All their circular wheel possessing rolling motion. A body such as a sphere or a wheel, or primarily a circular body that is rolling over a horizontal surface, undergoes rolling motion, and at every instant there is a single point of contact. In the upcoming discussion, we will discuss rolling motion in detail. Let us assume that a disc let us assume that a disc-shaped body is rolling over a surface without slipping. In other words, at any particular instant of time, the part of the disc is contact with the surface is at rest. At any particular instant of time, the part of the disc is contact with the surface is at rest with respect to the surface. The rolling motion is a combination of translational motion and rotational motion for a body. The motion of the center of mass is the translational motion of the body. During the rolling motion of the body, the surface is contact get deformed a little temporarily. Due to the deformation, a finite area of both bodies comes in contact with each other. The overall effect of the phenomena is that the component of the contact force. Let Vcm is the velocity of the center of mass of a disc-shaped body. Such for a rolling disc, the center of mass would lie at the geometric center C. The velocity of the body or velocity of a C is Vcm, which is parallel to rolling surface. The rotational motion of the body occurs about its axis of symmetricity. Therefore, the velocity at any point P0, P1 or P2 of the body compares two parts. Translational velocity Vcm, and due to the rotational motion it has linear velocity where Vr is equals to Rw. W is the angular velocity of the rolling disc. Vr is a perpendicular to the radius vector at any point lying on the disc with respect to the geometric center C. Consider point P on the disc. Vr is a direct opposite to Vcm, and at this point Vr is equals to Rw, where R is the radius of the disc. Therefore, the condition for rolling without slipping is given by Vcm is equals to Rw. The kinetic energy of such a rolling body is given by the sum of kinetic energies of translational motion and rotation. Thank you. We have made this simulation for students for exploring more about what is rolling motion. In this simulation, the user can explore the rolling motion of various objects. Use the checkbox to select one or more objects like solid sphere, solid cylinder, thin cylindrical shell, thin spherical shell. User defined moment of inertia. Use the mass slider to increase or decrease the mass of an object. Use the uh, Use the radius slider to increase radius of an object and decrease radius of an object. Use incline angle slider to adjust the angle of an incline. Here there are the three buttons to control the animation. Speed slider to adjust the animation speed. Here pause button to stop the animation and reset button to reset the animation. Here here there is a animation speed controller and time controller also. Thank you for watching this video.